Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Uba Renikton Lyngdoh tongkhar UMLA Kamau Kerwat constituency menta kasngi ka arpusau teri urisau arja apusan ulayo ban Pynhap Pyrda ya ka school week Jong ka St Mary's High Secondary School Mawthong Southwest Khasi Hills District ha ka jing dan lang u father Hirodest Lyngdoh ubadeiru u principal ki dong hikai ki me ki khpa bat ki khna school uba Renikton ha ka nikasngi nalor ka san lak tingka ka baula dep ban ai ha ki nikisnem bala dep ha ka nika kenti bamenta ula kular ban ai biang sa san lak tingka lingba ka scheme SRWP nak benta banchna bhai ki jaka shong Jong kamadan Shoshu ula ai mense me ki khna school bakin treishitom bat minot bha khnang bakane ka shlampuli kan sapan mi ki khna ki bastat ki banlong ki phadar ki sistar ki nohikai ki officer sarkar bat kin long ki nong mi khmat kum ki MDC ki MLA bat ki riu khrau Jong ka prathai Hagani gasngi ukong san ulayo bansam ya ki khusnam sha ka red house kabalayo ra ya ka nam la do kabalayo ban khur bontli ki points ha ka ka second school week arhaja phusan ha ka ba nagalyang ka St Mary's High Secondary Mawthong kalayo ban pinile ka ya shibun ki jingele kai kumno ban aila ki khna school ban pin I ya ki sap ki phong ki ba pher bakin long ki bashlur ha ki kam ya le kai
in different items different activities. And some of you are the winners. I wish the winners all the best. And I want to challenge for you the losers that next year is yours. Next time is yours. You are going to win next time, even though you lose this time. So next is yours. My dear student, I want to remind you that the future is yours. You will be the future father. You will be the future sisters. You will be the future teachers. All the teachers who are here today, they will not continue for life, but the time will come that it will come to an end. And it is you, my dear student, who will continue. You are promising to the society, you are promising to the church that you will continue the future, my dear student. And I hope to see that from you, it is you students of today who will be our leaders in the society. It is you students of today who will be MLA, who will be MDC of the future of Mawthong. It is you, dear student of today, who will be good officers in different departments in the state of Meghalaya and in India as well. And God knows, maybe from you, you will work not only in India, but you will work in different parts of the world. That God knows, and He has a plan to each one of us. He had a plan for you, my dear student.